Color bubbles. The main objective of color bubbles is to explore and learn about color mixing and creative expression. This info tab also contains helpful tips. Settings tab. As mentioned in the helpful tips, your Settings tab controls the bubble machine, ambient sounds, and colors for mixing. Selected colors are shown in gray. A maximum of 3 colors can be selected at one time. I'll stick with primary colors today for this demonstration. For this exploration, I like to turn the bubble machine slowly. This keeps the bubbles from mixing together on their own. The first function of color bubbles is actual color mixing. Red and blue for purple, yellow and red for orange. Add blue and purple and the purple hue will change. This exploration mixes true to life, so if children would typically get that ugly gray and brown color, they will here as well. Penelope comes into play for the next function. She does what she does best, pops. Once bubbles are popped, I can finger paint and spread the colors on the page until the paint dries. You can release more bubbles and layer colors if you wish. All finished? Swipe from the bottom up for 3 options. 1, you can save the images here. Simply name the file and hit save to be able to print or email to share with parents. 2, you can clear the screen to create a new masterpiece. Or 3, you can go back to the main menu to adjust the settings or swipe from the top down to close the exploration.